Your AP chemistry score could save you thousands in college tuition. Not figuratively, but literally. A score of 3 or higher on AP chemistry exam earns you college credit. And that's one semester of college chemistry valued at $1,000 to $5,000 depending on the university. But here's what has changed in 2025. 77.9% of AP chemistry students passed with a 3 or higher, and that's the highest pass rate in history. 46% achieved 4 or 5 scores. Record participation is of 1,68,833 test takers. Why? Because quality preparation works. So today I'm going to show you the 5 AP chemistry prep books that helped students achieve that break. My name is Gurpreet from Wizdomi and I am helping you choose the right preparation resource. So here's what research shows. College Board released official data on 2025 AP chemistry exam. 77.9% pass rate is highest on record. Mean score is 3.36, highest in a decade. Why did this happen? Better preparation resources, students using quality prep books and strategic practice improved measurably. So educational research is clear. Active problem solving is 3 times more effective than passive reading. So students practicing difficult questions harder than the actual exam performed better on tests. Now, the big ideas framework definitely matters. Focusing on these 6 major themes rather than memorizing random facts doubles the retention. So, strategic preparation using the right book would yield 2 to 4 point improvements, and that's significant. That's actually college credit. So by the end of this video, you will know first the 5 best AP chemistry prep books for 2025 to 26, second, which book fits your learning style, and third, exact pricing and what you are getting for your money. Fourth, which book has the most practice tests and questions, and fifth, which book I recommend for your specific goals. So this matters because choosing wrong could actually mean wasted time, wasted money, or even missing college credit. With the right book with consistent preparation saves you thousands. So let's find it. I'm Gurpreet from Wizdomi and we have helped thousands prepare for AP exams. So what have we learned? AP chemistry success is ingenious. It's the right preparation resource and consistent practice. Then number 5 on the list is Crash Course AP Chemistry. So if you are on a tight budget and have limited time, this definitely works. $10 is the most affordable option. So Crash Course is concise, like about 200 to 250 pages of focused content. It's perfect for students with 2 weeks to prepare. Then it gives you a quick review of what you absolutely need to know. So here I have good test taking tips well aligned with current curriculum. So the first strength is that it's very affordable at $10. Second is it's concise and gives you a quick review. Third is it's perfect for time constraint prep. And I have an honest opinion here that it has limited practice problems, so it can be best used as a supplement. It's not much comprehensive. So the bottom line is that Crash Course is the budget time limited option. Good for quick review but not foundation. Number 4 on the list is Sterling Test Prep AP Chemistry Practice Question. Now this is practice focused. 900 questions, highest volume of any resource. $36 is a higher price but massive question bank. So each question has detailed explanation. Not just the answer, just the reasoning. Topics are organized so you can drill specific areas like acids or bases, thermodynamics, equilibrium, and it's updated every 4 to 6 weeks based on student feedback. Now the first strength is it has 900 practice questions, which is the highest volume. Second, it has detailed explanations. Third, it is regularly updated. Now who should choose Sterling? Problem solving specialist, students who learn by doing, but the bottom line is that Sterling is the practice specialist, which has 900 questions for master. Now we have number 3, which is 5 steps to a 5 AP chemistry. This is McGraw-Hill's structured approach. $16 to $22, and the premium would cost you about $22 to $28. If you like the structure, this delivers them. The premium edition consists of 4 full-length tests. Online platform is included. So proven 5 steps methodology is used by thousands, and the daily practice option is 5 minutes to a 5 to 180 days of 5-minute drills. So the first strength is that it has affordable pricing. The second is proven methodology. Third is online platform. The bottom line is 5 steps to a 5 is the structured, affordable option. Number 2 on the list is cracking the AP chemistry exam as per Princeton Review. So Princeton Review has 40 plus years of expertise, 7 practice tests, and includes a premium. In between $22 to $28, it's a good value for strategy focused prep. Then content organized by big ideas has the 6 major themes tested. It has excellent strategic guidance, so how to recognize questions questions, how to manage time, how to avoid traps, everything is included here. The first strength is the 40 years proven experience methodology. Second is 7 practice tests with a premium. And third is excellent strategy guidance. The bottom line is that Princeton Review is the strategy specialist. And finally, number 1, my top recommendation is Barron's AP Chemistry Premium 2026. Now, why is Barron's at the top? Now, because this 624-page book was specifically updated for the 2025 curriculum and 9-unit structure. 6 practice tests means highest volume available. 3 diagnostic tests to identify weak areas. More than 300 questions throughout. So 3 online tests also for additional practice. And of course written by AP Chemistry experts. Now why it's on number 1? Because of its fully updated 2025 curriculum. It has 6 full-length tests which are available. It has comprehensive content for about 624 pages, and it has a diagnostic approach to identify weaknesses, and it's also written by AP experts. So the bottom line is that Barron's is comprehensive, current and expert written, and of course it's my top recommendation. Now which one for you? So I would say that for comprehensive preparation you can go in for Barron's. For structure, 5 steps to a 5 is best. For practice volume, go for Sterling, and if you want a book that's budget friendly, you can go for Crash Course. And for NRI families, I would say that you definitely face unique challenges. So managing prep from overseas is difficult because of the education system differences. So for you, I would recommend Barron's plus Khan Academy, which is free and fully updated. So this combination gives you comprehensive, current and affordable preparation. Now here's what matters. So your AP Chemistry score could actually earn you college credit worth $1,000 to $5,000. So in this, 77.9% of students now pass, and the strategic preparation definitely works. So you can click the links in the description where all the 5 books are linked. So just think about your learning style, choose your book, start prep 10 to 12 weeks before the exam, because consistency beats cramming. Also subscribe to Wizdomi, and more AP content is definitely coming ahead. So thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it, subscribe for more AP exam content, and for one-on-one tutoring, do visit wizdomi.com. So your AP Chemistry success definitely starts today. So see you in the next video. Bye.